Have you ever felt everything was spinning? Too many pieces in the air and you could not tell which would land first? That's what VUCA is all about. Volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. In this lecture, we will talk about how Agile works in these stormy environments. It does not lock you into rigid plans. It helps you steer through chaos and still get where you're going. Here is what we will cover in this lecture: what VUCA is and why it matters, how Agile principles match VUCA's challenges, real examples of Agile thriving in tough conditions. VUCA stands for volatile. Things change fast and often. Uncertainty. You cannot predict what's next. Complexity. Everything connects and it's messy. Ambiguity. You're not even sure what's happening. Consider the case of launching a product during a pandemic. Customer needs change daily. Supply chains collapse. Trends shift like sand under your feet. Picture this: you're sailing. The wind shifts direction. Volatility. Storm clouds gather and you cannot see far ahead. Uncertainty. The sea is vast with hidden currents. Complexity. You're unsure which route is best. Ambiguity. Agile is your crew that adjusts the sails. They chart the course, communicate, and keep the boat moving, no matter how rough the waters get. Therefore, in a VUCA world, Agile keeps you moving forward. It does not give you all the answers, but it helps you adapt and survive the storm. Agile thrives in this environment because it is designed to be flexible, responsive, and focused on continuous progress. Here is how. Volatility means frequent and unpredictable changes. Agile addresses this by delivering small, usable results frequently. Instead of waiting for everything to be perfect, Agile ensures consistent progress and quick adjustments. For instance, a software team ships updates every 2 weeks. When the market changes, they adjust the next update to meet the need. Uncertainty brings a lack of clarity and unknown factors. Agile minimizes this by using feedback loops to test ideas, learn from outcomes, and refine the next steps. A marketing team runs several ad campaigns at once. They test them, keep the ones that work, and drop the rest. Complexity arises from interconnected problems that feel overwhelming. Agile simplifies this by breaking big tasks into smaller ones. Teams focus on one piece at a time and reduce confusion. For example, a healthcare startup using Scrum works on one part of its system at a time. They deliver, test, and move on. Ambiguity occurs when situations lack clarity. Sometimes you do not know what's lying ahead. However, Agile does not overthink it. It plans in short bursts and adjusts as it learns more. For instance, a fashion brand shifts from formal wear to home office clothes. Agile lets them pivot fast, building as they go. Agile thrives on delivering small, frequent updates to adapt to fast-changing environments. Amazon pushes updates daily. They stay ahead of customer needs and market changes. This indicates that Agile is playing an important role in the company's project management. Agile breaks down silos by forming cross-functional teams that include people from different disciplines. Everyone collaborates towards shared objectives, speeding up decision-making and problem-solving. Spotify's squads mix designers, developers, and managers. Everyone works towards the same goal. Write one page on how Agile could help in a VUCA scenario. Pick something like launching an app or handling a crisis. Agile isn't about controlling the storm, it is about steering through it. It's about staying flexible, working together, and getting where you need to go. Thank you for listening. What clicked for you in this lecture? Let me know. Share your thoughts in the comment section.